When you come for the return demo, you have already worn with you your scrubs, your scrub suit, okay, your cap, and by the way, ladies, no hair coming out. Okay, all the hair should be contained within the cap. Okay, okay, all hair should be contained within the cap. Okay, you can wear your mask, but of course, you cannot talk very well if you are without your mask. Okay, pero during the preparation na mag-co-out kayo, kahit din yung gamit yung mask nyo. Pero pag nandito na kayo para mag-gown kayo, you have to wear your mask with you. Okay? Because dapat, if you are in surgery na, hindi ka dapat pumapasok sa surgery room na hindi ka naka-scrubs. Okay? So, scrubs is minimum na requirement. Okay? Now, in your exercise, meron tayo dun preparation ng personnel, right? And one of the questions there is, exercise number 7. Okay. What are the objectives of hand scrubbing? What is hand scrubbing? Okay? Or surgical scrub. What is surgical scrub? Okay, so yun yung dapat alam niyo. Because you have to, during scrubbing, you should tell me, what is surgical scrubbing? What are its objectives? There are 3 objectives of surgical scrub, right? Can you still remember them? Can you still remember that? One is mechanical removal of dirt and oil para matanggal yung mga gross na contamination. Dirt and oil. Another one. This is to reduce the bacterial contaminants. Exogenous na bacterial contaminants. And then, pangatlo is to depress yung residual bacteria sa skin. Kasi sa balat natin, meron ding bakterya. Huwag niyong sabihin na walang bakterya ang balat ninyo. Meron. Pag pinagpawisan yan, meron bakterya. Kaya kailangan i-reduce mo lahat yun. Those are the 3 objectives of hand scrubbing. Okay. So, you should be able to recite that. Now, nire-recite niyo yan habang nandun tayo, ha? Okay. Now, prior to hand scrubbing, there are certain procedures that you should do prior to hand scrubbing. One, should be able to keep your nails short, clean and short. Mga lalaki, yung mga mahahaba ang kuko, I disallow that. You have to cut it. Okay?